What's going on, everybody? I have some very exciting news. I just got a notification saying that my 100K subscriber play button is right in the front door. Well, it actually arrived last night, but I wanted to share this with all of you, so we're all gonna pretend like it just got here right now. So let's go to the front door and check it out. I will say I am not actually going to open it right now. I'm gonna wait probably, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 hours until my kids go to sleep. Otherwise, they're gonna wanna touch it and mess with it and play with it. All right, here it is. So I am gonna open this tonight in my usual setup. You guys are getting a little checkout of my house today. That's totally okay with me, but this is it, and it has my address and everything, so I'm gonna take all that off. With that being said, I will see you in just a few seconds, although it's gonna be a few hours for me. All right, so we are here with the box, and as you can see, I've gone through great lengths to make sure that you guys do not know where I live. This is gonna be really simple. I'm just gonna open the box and we're gonna see what's inside of it. That's about it. As you can see, this is the YouTube box. This is the pair of scissors. This is a Fiskars titanium nonstick. Should do the trick if you are in a similar situation. You really only get one chance at this, or so I've been told. So I'm gonna try not to mess it up. I'm just gonna cut here. All right, cut over here. And it looks like there's a third spot right here. All right, let's see if that does the trick. Jeez. Okay, all right. So there's this like, I don't know, cover to it. Let's take that off. All right, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. That's great. Do you remember your 100th? This is like a note. It's like a note from, I don't know who this is. Oh, the CEO of YouTube wrote me personally. Susan, I'm sure you're awesome. I'm gonna take a look at this a little later time. And there it is. Let's take it out of the box because I want to hold it. This is cool. Okay, so it has like, it's in this like plastic container. Let's take it out. I should probably get this on video. That's nice. Put that over there, and there we have it. So it is the play button, and it says, there we go. What does it actually say? Presented to Alex, the analyst, for passing 100,000 subscribers. So there we go. That is awesome. So let me see. Recognize your team. The team is me. I don't have a team. Yeah, I don't know what they're talking about. I am the team. Cool, awesome. All right, so here it is, my 100,000 subscriber play button. It is, it's cool. It's silver. It's heavier than I thought it was gonna be, honestly. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Honestly, this doesn't really seem like something that I'll put in videos or use in any way. It might sit on a shelf somewhere. But I mean, it's really cool. And honestly, you know, I don't think this is something that I'll put in like the background of videos like some people do. Let me test it out real quick. Like that. I don't know. That just seems really weird to me. Honestly, I don't know if I'll ever use it. I might, you know, show it to people when they come over to the house because, you know, it's kind of a novelty thing. But, you know, holding it, I will say, you know, in between me unboxing it and me videotaping this right now, I kind of was looking at it, I'm like, it's just a really humbling experience. This whole process, this whole past 2 years of making content and just working extremely hard to get to where I am, I've been extremely humbled just a lot of times, and this has been one of, I would say, the most humbling. It just feels a bit surreal that so many people have enjoyed the channel and subscribed to the channel and watched the shows and learned, and I really do feel connected to the community. And so I could not have done it without you guys. I really couldn't. And so this right here is for everybody. I honestly, you know, if I could give it to somebody or you know, share it with all of you, I would. So this will probably just sit like in my office or something like that. But I hope you guys know that I appreciate you so incredibly much. And it really feels like this channel is just going to continue to grow and continue to blossom into a beautiful data analyst flower. And so I look forward to making more content. As I made in a post a couple days ago, I am going to be making the same content I was before I got this new job, right? I am a manager now, but I still plan on making Tableau tutorials, Python tutorials. I have songs and skits and collaborations coming up. I have so much planned. I mean, I literally have an Excel spreadsheet of over 100 videos that I plan on making. It is not going to stop. So, sky's the limit. I may hit 200,000, 300,000, 400,000 before I finish all of those videos. We'll see. I have absolutely no idea. But it's been a wild ride thus far. I appreciate you guys, for real. This is, it's amazing. It really is. So I will see you in the next video where will be some actual content. This was just something fun that I wanted to share with you guys because I don't know, some people might find it interesting or, they've never seen something like this, but you guys contributed to this. And so I wanted to share it with you. I didn't want it to just be like a picture that I put up somewhere. So, you guys could actually be part of the unboxing and I could show you it and we could all be excited together. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Have a good week and goodbye.